Hold on, guys. Hey guys, I'm making a video and I'm just gonna try and say that mine give it a shot. We might make it a shot and see what happens. So I'm using some kind of hand cream. It's still okay. Hopefully, not heavy like that. Okay, guys. So next, this is my reference. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to do the first time, but it's not sketchy. You guys expected it to be. It's definitely slimy, but it's fine. So let me show you guys how I think it works. But I mean, this hand cream might help me. That's what I think it's like. Okay, this video might come off like different, so you need to like and subscribe so you guys next time, but if you don't, we'll know it. So there's just some place to do in, because I'm on my camera, but yeah. Oh my god, it's just so soft. I don't know what's happening. But eventually, I can't wait to do it. It's going to be good because I'm gonna have it, and then my birthday is the 28th, and I'm going to Cascade. By the way, you know how I look. You can see me at Cascade on the 28th, or maybe the following Saturday on my birthday. It might be through that week, but we're definitely gonna go before we go back to school. So yeah, it's gonna go out there, but they moved it from September 1st to the Atlanta station, and my mom said that they got bad reviews. So if you a subscriber of